I've been thinking that how to switch your energy from one year to another, especially for the year 2025 to 2026, because energetically, these 2 years are so different from each other. And the reason is that 2025 has been the year that has had Mars energy, Ketu energy, very combat inclined energy, whereas 2026 will have very sun governed energy. So while one year is all about being like a soldier and going after your goals and going and fighting out some sort of concern and some issue in your life, the 2026 energy is so different because here it's about sun, it's about discipline, it's about leadership, it's also about doing things that lift you up in spirit and ideologies and in your overall demeanor and being. So, how do you switch your energy from one year to the other? That is the question that I've been asking myself. And I think the few things that we really need to focus on when you're transitioning is that when I'm thinking of sun is an entity that rises every day, sets every day around the same time, has a sense of very high discipline. It also tells me that a person who is governed by sun will also be very pure in their way of working, functioning, whether it's a relationship, whether it's work, whether it's they're dealing with legal matters, authority. All of these things are governed by sun. The other thing sun does is, while it's making you want to be very pure, anything that does not have the right intentions will get burnt. That's the whole idea behind being governed by sun or having that energy of Agni in our lives, because 2026 will have a lot of Agni in it. Now, Agni is not always destructive. It's also purifying. It's also that it gives life to things. If we don't have that fire within us, we can't have a sense of accomplishment when we fulfill our goals, right? We need that passion to fuel us, to take us from one state of being to another state of being. So this is the year where you will actually see that in your life, you're moving from point A to point B. Again, everything very sun-governed and very sun-like in its vocabulary. Whereas 2025 has been destructive in the sense that you've had to let go of a lot of things in your life, right? You've had to deal with issues of your body, health issues, health concerns. Now, all of that has changed. Now it's about creating a fresh start to things, having fresh discipline, and then moving forward in life. So I would encourage you to start all of those practices. Start fresh habits that get you to be more pure, more inclined to the everyday rituals or everyday practices and habits in life, which little by little will make a huge difference.